Welcome to A to Z AMC training series. In today's video, we will talk about how an appraiser can schedule an inspection appointment. As you can see on this uh, page, we are currently on the assigned appraisal orders list page. So basically for that you need to navigate towards the appraisal orders and you can see all the appraisal orders that are assigned to you, and the one that is in progress or there is inspection scheduling is needed, we have to click on that specific appraisal order. So this is basically an accepted and it's in progress appraisal order. So to do the inspection we need to move towards the inspection tab and we have to schedule an inspection. So for that, first of all, I need to select the inspection date. So I'm selecting this date and we have to select the time slot that from this to this minute should be the time slot. So I'm selecting the time slot for it and going to define in the reason for the scheduling, like I want this scheduling, or if you have anything and it's mandatory, you need to define in the reason. So we have to schedule the appointment and it says the inspection appointment is scheduled. And you can see there is a countdown. So it says that it will be in 13 minutes. So it's basically 15 minutes. After every 15 minutes, there is an interval. So the duration is for 15 minutes and the location is this and the appraiser name is this and it is confirmed. So this is how you can create an inspection appointment. So there can be different cases. As you can see, there are different buttons that says on hold or reschedule. Ignore this one. So there's basically on hold and reschedule. That would be on your screen. So you can put an appraisal order on hold if there's some reason that they don't want to continue working with you or they want a reassignment of the appraiser. So you can put it on hold and they can reassign the appraiser. If you feel like, okay, I don't want to visit this appraiser on this I don't want to visit this location on this day, I want to reschedule it or there is some reason to it, you can click on the reschedule button. We'll have a separate video for all the cases. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.